Hi everyone, I am Mani from Proponex. Today, I'm very excited to present you the premium condominium UPTOWN at FARRER. This prestigious development by Keng Huat offers modern living in the city and is just 68 steps away from the FARRER Park MRT.
Live life to the fullest, all day, all night. Joy never ends at the vibrant city fringe. Embraced within a precinct rich in history, UPTOWN at FARRER fills each day with laughter and surprises. The newest icon of the area, UPTOWN at FARRER, is a prestigious mixed development which includes a luxury residential condominium, commercial units, as well as service apartment units managed by the esteemed Escort Group. Location is key to every good property investment. Situated next to FARRER Park MRT station and connected to 3 major expressways, UPTOWN at FARRER has it all. A 2-minute stroll from home brings you to City Square Mall, where you can shop to your heart's content. And for your late-night shopping needs, the 24-hour Mustafa Center is just a 5 minutes walk away. Provide your family with access to the best education and opportunities. Renowned schools such as Hong Wen School, ACS Junior, and FARRER Park Primary School are just a stone's throw away. Come home to the conveniences of modern living while immersing yourself in the rich and colorful heritage of the area. UPTOWN at FARRER is a home that reaches out to every aspect of life in terms of attitude, style, and elegance. UPTOWN at FARRER, the ideal place for you and your family to build your future together.
With limited exclusive units available, UPTOWN at FARRER may not be on the market for long. Call me, Mani, at 83004411 now to reserve your VVIP access to this modern residence. Yes.